Graphs and charts. Graphs and charts are pictorial representation of data. They enable us to quickly visualize certain relationship, complete complex calculation with ease, and predicts trends. Data which would otherwise be cumbersome and boring can be presented visually in the graph or chart that will keep our interest and allow us to see the speed and magnitude of changes. Information may be presented graphically in many different forms. Graphs are often found in the form of bar graphs, pictographs, broken line graphs, continuous curve graphs, and the circular graph or pig chart. An example of these are shown in figure. Interpreting or reading graphs and charts. Because so much information is being presented visually, it is very important that the technician be able to read graphs and charts. One common type of graph encountered by aircraft technician is the presentation of performance data. These graphs represent many hours of calculation by engineers, but have been presented in such manner that the technician can quickly determine if the performance being observed is acceptable. One such graph appears in figure, this one. This chart represents the relationship between engine horsepower and altitudes up to 10,000 feet. To use this chart, simply find the point on the horizontal axis that represents the desired altitude, move upward along this line to the point where it intersects the curved line, then move to the left, reaching the percent of sea level horsepower available. As an example, find the percent of horsepower available at an altitude of 7,000 feet. Begin by locating 7,000 feet on the bottom of the chart. Now follow that line upward until it intersects the curved line. From the point, follow the line to the left until you reach the vertical scale. You now read 70%. At 7,000 feet, the engine will maintain 70% of its sea level horsepower. Now, nomograms number 2. It is sometimes necessary to show the way that two or more variables affect a value. Nomograms are a special type of graph that will enable us to graphically solve complex problems involving more than one variable. This type of chart is not uncommon in aviation. One nomogram with which you should become familiar is shown in this figure. Instructions manuals for aircraft or equipment may contain numerous nomograms because they contain a certain deal of information and may require the use of scales on three sides of the chart, as well as diagonal lines. It is very important to carefully read the instructions. Simple and easy to use, while others may take and some instruction and practice. Now for the nomograms, the following examples is taken from the maintenance manual for the Allison 501-D13 turboprop engine. A nomogram shown in the figure is used to determine the power requirement when the engine is operating at minimum torque. The OAT, that is outside air temperature, station barometric pressure, and engine RPM are three factors that must be known to use this particular nomograms. Example: determine the calculated horsepower of a certain engine using the nomograms in the figure. Assume that the OAT is 10 degrees centigrade. The barometric pressure is 28.5 inches of mercury and the engine is operating at 10,000 rpm. Now first, locate the reference point on the OAT scale on the barometric pressure scale that correspond to the given temperature and pressure readings. These are identified as 1 and 2 respectively on the chart. With the aid of a straight edge, connect these 2 points and establish points 3 on the pivot line. Next, locate the engine speed identified as 4 on the engine speed RPM scale. Using a straight edge, connect points 3 and 4 and establish point 5 on the calculated horsepower scale. The calculated horsepower is read at point 5. The calculated horsepower is 98%.